I must ask you a question. Pesky mustache hairs need to be tamed. Well, let's make some handy dandy stash wax to get them in order. Start with your double boiler heated and ready to go. Place your mixing bowl in the double boiler and add your beeswax, palm kernel oil, and coconut oil. Stir as the ingredients gradually melt. Once everything has been liquefied, remove the bowl from the heat and add your liquid oils, including sweet almond oil, olive oil, and jojoba oil. Give that a good stir, and all that's left to add in is fragrance. I picked our Grey Goose scent and I highly recommend it. It smells great. Mix it in with everything else, and now all that's left to do is fill in the packaging containers. I'm using these little tins to package my stash wax because they're easily portable and the screw-on lid will keep the product safe inside. Fill each tin and allow the contents to cool and harden before popping the lids on, and you're done. And that's all it takes to keep your mustache looking prim and proper. Each tin costs us about $2 to make, meaning they can be sold wholesale for about $4 to $6 and retail for $8 to $12 depending on the fragrance and additives that you choose to use. If you want more men's grooming products to add to your line, check out our entire DIY playlist over on our channel. We've got tons of projects for you to try out and customize. Well, that's all I have for you guys today, and be sure to drop us a like and subscribe to our channel to support us here in the lab. It means the world to us. And don't forget to ring that bell icon so you can be the first to know every single time we post an update. I'm Maddie, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next video real soon.